Slave dynasty, Mahmud of Ghazni. Mahmud of Ghazni, also known as Mahmud Ghaznavi, was a prominent ruler of the Ghaznavid Empire in the 11th century. He is remembered for his military campaigns and his patronage of art and literature. Mahmud of Ghazni was born in 971 CE in Ghazni, which is located in present-day Afghanistan. Mahmud ascended to the throne of the Ghaznavid Empire in 998 CE after the death of his father, Sebük Tigin. He embarked on a series of military expeditions, primarily focused on the Indian subcontinent, which brought him immense wealth and power. One of Mahmud's primary objectives was to plunder and raid the rich temples and cities in northern India. He launched numerous raids into the region, targeting temples, palaces, and wealthy cities. One of his most famous military campaigns was the sack of the Shiva temple in Somnath, Gujarat, which was considered a symbol of Hindu pride. These raids were driven by both political and religious motivations, as Mahmud sought to weaken the Indian rulers and spread Islam. Despite his military exploits, Mahmud also cultivated a deep interest in art, culture, and learning. He patronized scholars, poets, and artists, creating a vibrant cultural environment in his capital city of Ghazni. He established libraries and educational institutions, attracting renowned scholars and contributing to the development of Persian literature. Mahmud's reign had a significant impact on the political and cultural landscape of the Indian subcontinent. His invasions weakened the regional Hindu kingdoms, paving the way for the later Muslim invasions and the establishment of Muslim rule in India. Additionally, his patronage of arts and literature fostered a synthesis of Persian and Indian cultures, leaving a lasting influence on the region's cultural heritage. It is important to note that Mahmud of Ghazni is a complex historical figure, admired for his military prowess by some and criticized for the destruction caused during his campaigns. The perspective on his legacy varies among different communities and historians, reflecting the diverse and complex nature of the historical narrative surrounding him.